Hey folks, this is Anthony Fuller. Today we're going to be talking about the 285 RLSW by Jayco. One of my favorite floor plans. You got your 2 propane tanks, and this is a Rocky Mountain edition, and I'll show you why. Also comes with the cool power tongue jack. Check out all the storage you have under the bed here. Goes all the way through. That's a pretty nice spot. Jayco comes with the 2-year warranty, power awning. All right, folks, so if you come inside, you notice all the windows you have in the rear here. This is a rear lounge, so you get the 2 recliner chairs, or the rocker chairs on this one. Lots of overhead storage. You have a tri-fold bed right here, so this bed will come all the way out to here. So it's a pretty, like a bed for 2 people. And then you have another dinette here where you can also make this into a bed, which I think is awesome. You have your entertainment system right here. It does come with the Bluetooth stereo. That is a DVD player. You have more storage right here and nice big fridge. Everyone likes refrigerators. We all need them. And you have the microwave, your oven, and your 3-burner, and your 2 sinks. One for rinsing and one for drying. Then you have a pretty good counter space on this one, and of course more overhead storage. Everyone loves storage. Then you walk with me back here. You got a nice window in the hallway. Then check out this bathroom. Glass shower, lots of room to take care of all the business in there. Then come out this way. You have a exit door right here in the bedroom. You have 2 hanging closets right here. This whole trailer comes with independent LED lights, and you have the queen size bed. Looks lovely in here, and you get windows so you can get that cross breeze in here. This is an awesome trailer. One of my favorite floor plans because it has a dinette and it has also a couch. So that's one of the great benefits of having this size trailer. I'm Anthony Fuller, guys. If you have any questions about any of the trailers we have on our lot, feel free to give me a call. I'll get you the best deal possible. 541-653-2818. Thank you very much.